Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart your Xbox Series X or S controller. This is relatively easy. So to do this, I'm going to be using a T8 or T9 torx screwdriver, or maybe if you're using a flathead 2.5 millimeter, I believe, we'll open this up. And then we want to use a plastic piece. If we use like a metal piece on the side, we might damage the plastic. So just a heads up, if you're going to be doing that, you're probably going to damage stuff under here. But to open up this controller, it's relatively easy. Now the first thing we want to do is to remove the side panels here. So I'm going to take my plastic piece, I'm going to place it into here. Actually, I'm going to get a different one that's a little bit skinnier. And then I'm going to feed it on through and then work my way down to the center. So I'm just going to feed it through and then continue to work my way down. And then this should pop off. And it might take a little bit of effort to pop it off, but just create some separation and boom, it just popped off. Now let's repeat the process on the other side. So just create some separation from the top here, or if you can create some separation somewhere else, and then just work your way down to the middle and then push down and it should pop off just like that. And nothing is broken, so we're good to go. Now let's remove the battery. And there is going to be one screw that's going to be hidden under where it says wireless Xbox controller. And you're going to want to go ahead and break this seal. And then you can find that one screw. So let's find my screwdriver here to unscrew this. So I need a T8 or a T9. We'll unscrew this. So here's T8. And then we can unscrew this. And there's going to be 5 screws total that we need to unscrew. So we have one right here. And put these screws in a safe spot. Otherwise, you might find them lying around on the ground or in the carpet, and it's going to be very difficult to retrieve them. So we have one here, 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 and here. So let's go ahead and just remove all these. And then we should be able to remove this cover relatively easy now that we have everything unscrewed. And this is a little bit easier to remove than the PlayStation 5 controller. So if you ever done that before. Alright, so here's my last screw. Now we should be able to just lift this back piece up. So you can see the face cover is already coming off, so we can just remove this and take this off. We can take off the thumbsticks right here as well. Maybe we need to clean those with some compressed air and then just blow these off if we got analog stick drift. We have access to those relatively easy. Otherwise we can use some like rubbing alcohol and we can just clean those off with a Q-tip. Make sure none of the cotton from here gets stuck in there as well. But that's an easy way to clean that. And then we should be able to just lift up and boom, this has now come off. And it looks like one of these cables right here actually came off, so I'll have to go ahead and just reconnect those at some point. But these motors will pop off too, so if you flip your controller around, that might come off on you. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tac.